everybody, we're one of the first in lines here at Star Wars Star Tours. That's the big attraction here, right, on May the 4th? Wonder where everybody else is going to. Oh well, follow me. Hey everybody, it is May 4th, which means Disney Hollywood Studios is celebrating May the 4th be with you here at Galaxy's Edge. We're gonna go sample some of the snacks, we're gonna go check out the merchandise. We're also gonna rip open that 2017 high-tech Star Wars box. Let's see what kind of auto we can pull out of there. This should be a fun-filled day. Follow me. Everybody, here it is, the 2017 Star Wars high-tech. Let's see what kind of autograph we can pull out of here. Let's get right into it. Let's see if the Force is with us. I think it comes with one pack. Okay, here it is. K250. Wald. Mortis Father. I see our auto in the back, so let me go from the back. Captain Phasma. Finn. There it is, Darth Vader. That's a nice looking pull. Okay, that's our auto. Say that for last. Here it is. Who do we got? We got Boba Fett. What a pull. Jeremy Bullock. Okay, just to recap, we got that Boba Fett autograph, but we also pulled the numbered, looks like number 2 out of 99 Darth Vader. And then the Mortis Father, this one is numbered 1 out of 50. So in the excitement of pulling the autograph, I overlooked these two. Sweet pulls. Here it is, the dark side chocolate creation. Essential for anybody on the dark side with the sweet tooth. Available May 4th through the 8th. Now they told me these are gonna sell out. So let's dig in, let's look what's inside. Check that out. Now how does it taste? I'm feeling evil already. Some of the highlights here, we got these lightsabers, churros. That's pretty amazing. May the 4th be with you. Hey everybody, we pulled some sweet merchandise today, but we want to give you VIP access to subscriber. We got up early this morning for you. So if you couldn't make it out to Disney today, don't worry about it, we got you. We got some cool giveaways. All you gotta do is be subscribed, like this video, tell me what item you want from the photo below, and you'll be entered to win. We're gonna have a multi-giveaway, so good luck everybody. Now, my buddies from Kansas, take it away.
Hi, we're Doug and Hannah from Overland Park. From the top of our hearts,
may the 4th be with you.